How can a small business owner win the market? The competition is very, very high. You are trying to penetrate as a startup or as a small business owner that want to migrate to hire people, get more attention online. The competition is high in every industry. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 things that will help you navigate. And one of them is what I am big on. Very, very important. If you're a small business owner, pay attention to this video. So the first thing you need to do as a small business owner is learn how to build your personal brand. Yes, personal branding. I'm telling you, it is very, very vital. Here is where you create content. Under your personal brand, you have what? Number 1, your story. If you don't have a story, you are not a personal brand. If you don't have a story, what separates you from other people? You are not a personal brand. Then number 2, you have a content. It can be teaching content, it can be entertaining content, it can be any form of content, but I recommend teaching because this is the only way you can prove that you are an authority in your field. You must not use whiteboard like me. You can use slide, you can use audio, you can use any other format, but you are engaging people intellectually. Then the number 3 thing you need to have as a personal brand, you must have a compelling message. Compelling what? Message. So if you don't have a message, you also don't have a brand. Now you have a story you're telling people, you have a content style you are using, but you have a message. For me, I say I'm on a mission to build 1 million individual personal brand by 2030. Simple. This is what I'm pursuing. This is my goal. This is what is driving me. Because I've been a small business owner at some point and I was struggling seriously. So how can I use personal brand to get attention? I started doing it and it's working. So what am I doing? I'm channeling that, my experience, my message to these other people. Personal branding is the only way to stand out online. It's a simple message. If you want to stand out online, personal branding. So that message, you must find your own message. What is your message? What is your vision? Then the 5th thing we're going to talk about under personal branding, you must have a fan. Learn how to create a kind of cult-like association. Let people believe in you. The way people believe in Samsung against Apple. Some people believe in Apple against Samsung. So what most people do is you poo-poo on other people's strategy to make your own stand out. It may be harsh for most people, but I mean it's a way to do it. MTN cannot go and wear Glow uniform, and Glow cannot go and wear MTN. So if you are pushing a brand, you must stay on that ground and say it consistently. So loyal fan is the last thing I think. There are so many other things I can list here, but for now, this is why we'll stop for this video. But remember, personal brand, you need to have a story. Number 2, you need to have a content. What kind of content are you creating? I recommend teaching content. Number 3, you need to have a compelling message. Something that you use to convince people, to bring people closer to you. Then number 4, you need to build a loyal fan. People that are die-hard fans, committed to your brand. That will say, I'm a brand talker. Like our own, call it brand talkers. People that believe in what we believe. People that wear our brand. People that believe this is our own thing. They own it. This is how to build a personal brand. So the next thing you need to know is advertisements. So ad is one of the biggest things small businesses miss out from. If you are a member of any church, you see your church putting billboard, putting flyers, putting all those things. Most of you even wear your church t-shirt, your church bangle. You are going out distributing flyers for your church. All those things are good, but why are you not doing it for your own business? Some of you watch other people's ad on YouTube, on Instagram, and you are happy, you are excited. I love this, I love that. Man, you is still running ad. Facebook is running ad. TikTok is running ad. Are you running ad? Why can't you say 10% of my profit goes into marketing, which is ad in most cases? Because you don't have influence. People don't know you. People don't believe your message. There are so many people who are selling the same thing you are selling. Like ladies that sell hair. I was telling the lady, she's in Lagos here. So I told her, why not start putting your content online? Do you have up to 1,000 content? And when we check her Instagram, she had like less than 4 posts. You can't win that market. You are not putting content. You are not running ad. There is a lady called Melanie Pai. She does roughly over 30 million naira every single month in Nigeria. And if you see her ad, Jesus Christ. In fact, I get challenged whenever I see her ad because I know that we need to push beyond this. If you go online, you see someone like Stephen Akentayo, he's pushing ad. If you see my wife post, my wife is always pushing ad. That is the goal. How can you get in front of the people that don't even know you? The people that have the money you're looking for as a business owner, small business owner or a personal brand, they are the people that you don't even know. They are not in your life. They are not in your customer base. Make your business more findable. And that is the only way you can win this race. So what kind of ad do you need to run? Number 1 ad you need to run is, if you're on Facebook, look at Facebook ad, FB. Run Facebook ad. You need to learn it. There are so many courses out there, and I can also help you if you need that, but I have an agency that does that. But first of all, you can learn how to run Facebook ad. Number 2, from Facebook you can get TikTok anyway, TikTok, IG, and then WhatsApp, right? Then you also have YouTube ad. You have Google ad. So we have YouTube and we have Google. What is the difference? Google ad is a thing when you search a word online. Let's say you are looking for the best makeup artist in this area. If that person is running ad, their own account will show up. That's ranking. They will rank highest. And you also see, most times you see sponsored. It means that they are running ad. If you're a small business owner, you need to understand how these things works. If you're also a small business owner, you need to know how to run YouTube ad. You don't need to be the person who is running, but you need to have a team. But if you're the only one in business, I don't recommend that, but if you're the only person in that business, learn how to run ad. Let's go to the third thing, and the third thing is very, very vital. Networking. You need to know how to network. As a small business owner, you are likely going to be on this journey of hiding behind the scene, managing your own small thing, going all in on your small post, just doing the work on your own. You are the one typing, you are the one posting, you are the one creating, you are the one delivering. It is a very narrow route to go. Don't go through that thing. Learn how to make out time to go and network with people. So what kind of networking do you need? Number 1, you need networking online. Online networking, very, very important. So go online where people are networking, like LinkedIn. Go and connect with people. Go to WhatsApp group, Facebook groups. Go and connect with people. Number 2 way to network is go to seminars. There is literally seminars going on everywhere, in every city in Nigeria, I'm sure. If you don't have, create one. Set up something, let people in your industry come and attend. If you're a makeup artist or a hairstylist or you are a fashion designer, host something that other people will come and network with those people. That's what we call mastermind. You can come up with an event that you do, maybe in your shop, maybe in the nearest restaurant or fast food. Do something that other people will come to network. Be the teacher. So when you teach people, they are most likely going to be loyal to you. And the staff you are looking for may just come from the seminar you attend. You may go to seminar and somebody will talk to you, might want to join your team, I want to be part of it. And you get good quality people from networking like this. Then the last way to network is cold DMs. Send people messages. Please, can I know you? I love what you post. Can I connect with you? Can we talk? Can we do this? Can we hang out on a coffee? These are ways to you meet with people. And it's very vital that you learn all these things. Number 1 is your personal brand. Number 2 is what I call running ad. Number 3 is networking. If you're a small business owner or someone who wants to start business, start from networking if you've not launched. If you're quitting your job, you want to start something on the side, network with people that are in that industry already. Online, so you can know the problem, the challenges they are facing. Then learn how to run ad. Create demand for a product before you even launch. Then finally, start working on your personal brand from today. My name is Mr. Nis. I'm on a mission to build 1 million individual personal brand. And if you're one of them, send me a DM. Send 7 days. So I can join you to the challenge we are doing. And if you are not meeting up with the challenge, send me a DM for a consultation. I will give you free consultation and talk to you about your brand, where to start, how to scale it. Thank you. Mr. Nis, bye-bye.